think that's the only thing I had out here, so I can go back in.
Nice. Froggy flips.
I wouldn't go in there without asking anyway.
Well, thank you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Good luck to you.
You have any costumes? If you want any of those, I will make you a good one.
Alrighty, I'll look through them. Thank you so much.
Yeah. I took one to my granddaughter a few weeks ago. Well, to my son, it was like of him playing football in high school.
Uh-huh.
And his daughter said, "Oh, Daddy, I want to watch it." And he goes, "That's nice. We have nothing to play it on."
No one does anymore.
I have a few 2XL shirts,
Okay.
but most of them are 3X.
Okay.
And those are all women's.
Gotcha. All right, I got 4.
How about $1?
$1. Hard to say no. All right, there you go.
Thank you.
Have a great day. Good luck.
You too.
Thanks.
You don't have any DS keys, do you?
No.
Thank you.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Are you familiar with it?
Star Fox.
What's that?
Star Fox stuff?
I know what it is. I've never played it before.
Okay. So basically, this is the game.
Mm-hmm.
These, whenever it's for the Switch, of course.
Yeah.
Put your things in here. And whatever car, vehicle you have on here,
Right.
or person, they show up on the screen.
Oh, okay.
And different weapons and stuff click into
My wife has the Animal Crossing, and she has all the,
all the pieces.
Yeah, so.
That's cool.
How much you asking on the Xbox, out of curiosity?
The Xbox will do 75.
75?
That little thing's like a spy camera or something?
Oh, this right here?
Yeah. I never figured out how to work it, so I gave up.
Is that with the games, or are those separate?
Hey Brian, you want to do the Xbox with all the games or separate?
75, yeah.
All of it.
Okay, 75 takes all of it?
Yes, sir.
Sure, why not?
You want a box?
Sure.
I think that's the only thing I had out here, so I can go back in.
Nice.
Do what I can. 20, 40, 60, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome, buddy.
sir.
Thank you so much.
Alright, these guys, right?
Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Good luck.
Here. Thanks.
Okay. Ellen, I'm over here.
There's some guys on this
Okay, I'm coming.
None of it's marked, so make an offer.
Ma'am.
None of it's marked over here, so make an offer.
Okay.
Good morning.
Morning.
On your way back?
Yep.
All right.
Do you have a preference?
You don't like input?
You got more. What did you do? My first one went, oh, crazy about the story. The Keurigs are ground for...
Sure is best for me.
Okay.
Because that's what we have at work.
Okay.
A different thing.
There's not one over there.
Awesome. Thanks, man.
You're welcome.
All right.
All set?
I think so.
Okay.
So the DVDs were $1 a piece, is that right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And I don't think we decided on this, so call it 15 even.
Sure, that'll work.
So what do you do?
There you go.
Thank
You so much. All right, you have a great day.
You too.
Thank you. Is the blanket for sale, or is that just a cover?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, what do you think on the Marvin one?
$5 too much?
5 is fine. Thank you. I don't know where she went. I was gonna give it to her, but thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
Yep, sure thing.
Thank you very much.
Sure thing. We've got some other collectibles and whatnot.
Oh, really?
Yeah, if you're, let me see what I can.
Sure, I'm definitely interested in all that stuff.
No, it looks like it has already been out here and sold,
Oh, okay.
so I apologize.
Oh,
Making
that's
you
okay.
wait. Now,
Yeah, it's cool though.
yeah.
I would be interested in those too, though.
All right, $500
Oh,
up here.
sure.
I think it may have sold. All right.
Okay.
Thank you. All right.
Thanks, sir. Have a good day. All right, everyone. So 800 miles later, we are back here in the garage. Basically, the family and I just took a little vacation road trip down to Savannah, Georgia. It's about 800 or so miles away. We had a great time. Did a little bit of garage selling, not much, as you saw. The plan was to do quite a bit more, but when we rented our vehicle, we ordered and prepaid for a pretty large SUV, which ended up not being available when we got there that morning. So we ended up getting a pretty compact vehicle, and it didn't allow for much room, and it was this whole big thing. But I did still hit a few. Just kind of stayed around 5 miles from our hotel. Was only out for about a half hour, 45 minutes. So definitely didn't find a lot. Like I said, we did have a great time, but I am definitely looking forward to getting back to some familiar Indiana garage sales this weekend. It looks like there's quite a few, so I'm pretty excited. So if this had just been like a normal local yard sale haul, I probably wouldn't have even made a video about it, but since it happened so far away, I didn't really have a chance to do something the next day. I figured we'd go ahead and make a video, and I would just do something kind of fun, and we'll do a little giveaway, because we are getting crazy close to 100,000 subscribers, which is insane, and I want to thank you all so much. I seriously can't even believe it, but we're getting really close, so a giveaway would be fun, right? I did get a few things here. Thundercats DVDs look like they do okay. We got some Dragon Ball Z DVDs. There's like a hip hop DVD, horror stuff, some Avatar. So all that was like $1 a piece. Got a few VHS tapes. This one, this Michael Jordan Come Fly With Me. If this one had been sealed, this is one of those that can go for hundreds of dollars. Unfortunately, it's not, so it's not worth very much at all. And then a couple sports VHS that are sealed, still not worth a whole lot. I did kind of like this little Taz figurine that I paid $4 for. Some various games and stuff. This is probably one of my favorite finds. It's this Marvin the Martian hat, new old stock, new with tags. I think being new old stock will definitely help it, so we'll see. But my best find of the day was probably this Xbox One system. It's got the power supply. I think it has an HDMI cable somewhere in that box. It has the controller, and it has 4 games with it. Call of Duty Advanced Warfare, Day Zero Edition, Call of Duty Infinite Warfare, Call of Duty Black Ops 3, and Madden 20. So it's not a horrible little lot. I paid $75 for it, and with Christmas coming up, I figured the value will probably spike a little bit. So I think what I'm going to do is just give this away to a subscriber. So it probably does have to be US only, because it's kind of heavy and it'll cost a lot to ship. But if you're not in the US and you still want to play, then I mean, you know, you can just pay for shipping. That's fine too. So what you have to do to possibly win is make sure you're subscribed to the channel. So just go ahead and click that little button, get that over with now. Like the video, and leave a comment down below, and then make sure somewhere in that comment you use the word Xbox, X-B-O-X. And then probably in a video next week, I'll do a little random drawing, and as long as that comment says the word Xbox, then you will win this little Xbox bundle, and you can keep it and play it. You can sell it and probably make a couple $100 or so. You can give it to your kids, you can give it to your grandkids, you can donate it, you can use it as a Christmas present, whatever you want to do, it'll be yours. So as long as you do all those things I listed, subscribe, like the video, leave a comment, make sure it has the word Xbox in it. If you're in the US, I will ship it out to you. If you're not in the US, then we'll talk about shipping charges. But yeah, that's it. So basically you will get it just like I purchased it. I haven't tested it. I assume it works. It's got the 4 games, got the controller. I'm not sure how big the hard drive is. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna get back to normal life here. Hopefully have a regular video for you here in a couple days or so, and we'll choose a winner. So as always, I wanna thank you so much for watching the video, but until next time, stay safe, stay healthy. Love ya, bye. When they hear that cha-ching, and they all look at me, I guess they'll know I'm buying this crap.